had goosebumps. Your performance tonight, you made me feel like a fan.
Oh, thank you.
All I have to say.
Actually, Apple, this is the first time that I really appreciate your singing. From the first time na ano.
Thank you so
Now,
much.
I have heard your voice, your style. Talagang bagay na bagay sa iyo itong kantang ito. Because before, I liked you already, pero hindi masyado. Ngayon, I like you very much.
Thank you. I like you too so much.
You are a serious contender for the title.
Thank you. Yeah, well, super thank you po sa inyo. I'm so flattered and so overwhelmed na parang mag-hyperventilate.
Apple, sige. While you absorb everything that the judges said, may lilinawin lang ako, ha? FM, titignan kita eh. Hindi ka pumikit eh. Silang dalawa nakapikit. Ikaw nakagano ka, oh. Apple, what do you feel? Ngayon,
A natural woman.
tatlo na yan. Sabi, alas lahat.
Siyempre, sobrang happy ako. Parang this time, nakikita na nila yung aking pagiging karapat-dapat dito sa competition.
Alright. Karapat-dapat. Kung kayo, tingin nyo karapat-dapat si Apple, supportahan, eto ang gawin nyo. Iboto nyo siya. Just text Apple, that's APPLE to 2339 using Smart and other networks. At kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, i-dial mo lang 1908-5-IDOL-03. That's 1908-5-IDOL-03 for Apple. But wait for us to give you the go signal at the end of the show. Doon pa lang po magsisimula ang botohan. Apple, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Susunod, sina Steph at Jan ang bibirit, kaya tutok lang dito sa Philippine Idol.